Whoa, Ryan, you gotta bust the transmitter.
Oh, it's dead. Don, do you think Mary's found the wire on Vicky?
You think I'm up to something?
You think you're the first woman who's tried to do this to me?
Do you?
I know you're kind.
I thought I was...
And I don't like it.
Can you see anything?
No. He moved her away from the window.
You like rich, powerful men, don't you?
Who doesn't?
So, you like it when a man takes control.
Control. Yes. Suffocation. No. Do you think you could keep your hands up? No.
That's it. We're going in.
Ryan, we can't just bust in there. We're talking Marius.
We've got to go get her. Come on.
I think you have the wrong idea about me.
Oh, I doubt that, sincerely.
I'm not... I like to get to know a man a little bit better before I let him crawl all over my body.
What's to know? What you see is what you get.
Oh, no, I think there's a lot more to know about you than meets the eye.
Well, I've always found mystery far more intriguing than the truth. Haven't you?
Yes, actually. But that doesn't change.
You like me, don't you, Victoria?
Call me Vicky.
Victoria.
What do you do?
I work.
Good. Where?
Why all the questions?
Pretty standard questions, don't you think?
I don't like to talk about business when I'm enjoying myself socially.
Do you get a lot of time for social enjoyment?
As much as I want.
So you gather... I gather you travel a lot.
Why do I get the feeling that I'm being interviewed?
I can't help myself. You're just so interesting.
You expecting someone besides me?
No.
Cable repair.
Now?
You call about an emergency repair?
Yes, I did. Please, come in.
Thanks. Where's the TV?
It's in the den. What?
Well, your cable comes through here. I'll have to work here first. Don't mind me.
There's a movie on at 3 a.m. this morning I wanted to tape. Sorry.
I need your phone. Does that work?
Last time I checked.
It's me. Yeah, I just want to make sure everything's under control over there. Bakamaru tonight? When did this happen? All right, never mind. What time? 10 o'clock. I'll be there. Listen, don't let him leave, you hear me? Yeah. I have to go.
So soon, I thought...
Better change your plans.
Is everything all right?
You ask too many questions.
I'm sorry. Can we do this again sometime? Oh, another question.
Fortunately, there are a number of other things about you to admire.
Well, I hope I didn't offend you before. It's just that, I'm kind of used to Bay City men, and you know what that means. You know, you seem like such a well-traveled man, and you just seem to move a little bit quicker than the local boys. But I can learn.
I'll be in touch.
You really are one live wire.
Too
You know
bad
that?
this thing isn't. Where is Ryan? Ryan!
Just saw Mary's leave.
Why did you send this guy here?
I couldn't risk him noticing me. Are you okay?
Perfect. No thanks to you and Cable Charlie here. What took you so long?
Your transmitter was shorted.
Yeah, tell me about it. The guy's like an octopus. Had he got 1 inch closer, he would have found my wire. I need a drink. Okay. Next time we do this, there is going to be a signal, and I am
There's not going to be a next time.
Pardon me?
You've just worked your first and last undercover operation. Okay, I'll check on you later downtown, okay?
Right. So long, Matahari.
I don't like his attitude.
And he doesn't like yours either.
And what you've said before, you can forget about it. This story could mean my career. I'm in.
Not with Marius, you're not.
You're going to tell me who I can and cannot date?
Well, if Bachelor #1 is on the FBI's 10 most wanted list, yeah, you bet your steno pad I can.
I am not covering flower shows and coming out parties for a society column.
Well, then talk to your editor.
I don't have an editor. I don't have a job. I am trying to make a name for myself as an investigative journalist, and you are getting in my way.
Look,
again.
I should not have agreed to this to begin with, and now I'm putting a stop to it.
Fine.
Good.
You'll never know what Marius said when you guys were off the waves.
What? What did he say?
Do you think I'm going to say anything to you without some sort of agreement?
Vicky. Vicky!
I'll give you a hint.
Crying out loud.
He's having a meeting with someone at 10 o'clock tonight.
Where?
My lips are sealed. Unless you tell me I can do the stakeout with you.
You are out of your bird, lady.
Fine, I'll go alone.
Can bring you down to headquarters and book you for withholding evidence.
And where would that get us, huh? I would be in a holding tank. You would be stuck filling out papers all night long. And Marius would have his little rendezvous without any interruption.
Look, I can't do what you're asking, Vicky.
It won't be like the fiasco here tonight. I'll be right by your side. You'll be able to keep an eye on me, which I happen to know you enjoy more than you let on. And to top that all off, we'll be far away from him. So Marius will be no more wiser. What do you say?
Okay. All right. You tell me where he's going to meet. And if the place is safe and I can stake it out safely, maybe.
Definitely. If it's safe.
Okay.
The meeting is at a place called the Bok Amaru. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Is it safe?
Yeah. You can come.
Great! How's the food?
Where?
The Bok Amaru. French, right?
It's not a restaurant.
Oh.
And you may want to rethink your attire.
Not classy enough?
Let's put it this way. How do you look in overalls? I told you to wait at the car.
I got bored. How'd you know the Bok Amaru was a boat?
Maru means ship in Japanese. I called the dock dispatch office and they told me that the Bok Amaru was going to be docking here tonight at 10.
Hence my tip-off.
So I wanted you to stay in the backup car.
He doesn't like me.
Who? Don? But do I look like I like you?
What's your plan?
I'm going to sit here, wait for the ship and for Marius, and watch.
That's it?
This isn't Miami Vice, Vicky.
You sure ain't Don Johnson.
Okay. That's it. I'm taking you back to the car myself.
Oh, no, don't. What? What?
You close the door.
Yes.
How could you be so stupid? The door locks from the inside.
What?
Can you believe I let you talk me into this?
Don't you blame this on me?
Oh, well, who else should I blame it on?
Help! We're locked out here! Would somebody please help
Okay,
me?
all right, cut it! If I have to spend an evening alone with you, trapped on a roof, I'm not gonna do it arguing. Don will figure out what's happened and he'll come and get us eventually. I can still get done what I need to get done. And things could be worse. Things could definitely be worse. I can't see anything through this rain. The Titanic could dock tonight and we wouldn't be able to see it.
I am not spending an entire night on the roof in the rain with you. There is a story of a lifetime down there, and I am stuck. This is not happening.
Found some shelter over here.
Enjoy it.
I'll let you under if you're good, even though this entire mess is your fault.
Arrogant, selfish, inept.
You better get away from that door, it's metal.
No!
It'll fry like a lamb chop. Come on over, sit next to me. This window is grounded. It's got rubber all at the bottom of it. Come here. Kind of cozy, isn't it?
Hi, this is Marissa Ramirez, Carmen on The Young and the Restless. Not sure what's happening in Genoa City? Catch an all-new episode of The Young and the Restless tonight at 7, only on SoapNet.